Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when our laptop or device is stuck in a hibernating problem. Okay, so let's do that and just follow the few simple process that I'm going to show you. So for the laptop, if you are using a laptop, please do remove first the charger plug, and after removing it, please press and hold the power button for 5 seconds and the laptop will be turned off. Wait for it to be turned off, and after it's turned off, please remove the battery if the battery is removable. Now once the battery is removed, please press again and hold the power button for 5 seconds, and in this manner you are releasing all the energy from the laptop. So once you're done doing that, then put the battery again and then turn the laptop on, and then once on, we can now do the process that I'm going to show you. So let's turn off the hibernating, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab, CMD, and under best match the command prompt will come up. So in here, all we need to do is just make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator, and then the user account control window will be up on our screen. So just click on yes, and in here the black window will be up on our screen. So all we need to do here is type the command power CFG space hyphen H space off. It's power CFG space hyphen H space off, and after typing that, you can now click on enter, and the hibernating will be turned off. Okay, so in this manner you are turning off the hibernation. And after doing that, another process that we can do, let's just exit this one, is to go to the troubleshoot settings, and in here type troubleshoot. Under best match, please do click on troubleshoot settings. So once we're in the troubleshoot settings, let's go click on other troubleshooters, and we will look for power. So since power is not present in my device, if it's present in your device, then please go click on it and then just click on the run button there, and it will start diagnosing the problem. And just follow the troubleshooting steps that it will provide, and then just do a make or quick restart with your device. Okay, so after doing that, all we need to do for the last step is to create a power plan, and we can do that by making a search again in the Windows search tab, edit power plan, and under best match, please do click on edit power plan. And in here, you will see under the power options, you will see here create a power plan. So you will see here in the left pane, create a power plan. So please do click on that, and then you can assign a name for your power plan. And once you have assigned a name, you can now click on next. And once you're happy with the settings of the plan here, you can now also click on create, and then it will start creating the power plan that you have just made. And then just make a quick restart with your device, and your hibernating problem will now be solved. Okay, so I hope you followed the process accordingly, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.